Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. Just really wanted to focus here on the latest price action. At the moment, there is a potential that we are here in a leading diagonal. However, I cannot confirm this until we have all 5 waves as complete. The problem with that is that this diagonal pattern, it could be counted as an impulse, but a very ugly one. So if it is a diagonal, then because it is so ugly, right, because you have a lot of choppy price movements in here, I would want to see the 5 waves as complete anyway, before confirming a local low was in, because this could still just be a corrective move to the upside, which will in the end come down again into my green target area, because we really only touched this target area here around 68, 69 cents. So there is a chance that the wave 2 was in here. Let me just take the fips out. Yeah, so we came down from the wave 1 high in a wave 2 correction to the downside. That's currently the assumption, because we broke above the 80 cent level. As long as we're holding 80 cents, I'm going to focus on higher. Yeah, but if we break below 80 cents, I think there's a really good chance to get deeper into this area. So at the moment, the view is the wave 2 low was in. We are pushing higher in wave 3. However, because this is not a very crystal clear pattern that we currently see emerging to the upside, due to all the uncertainty that is currently in the market, it could very well be that this here was, from an Elliott Wave point of view, only the wave A. We're now moving higher in a wave B, and we will then come down once more in a wave C, deeper into this area. This area is between 47 to 70 cents. So really, there is nothing bearish on this chart as long as we hold long term above 47 cents. So the 47 cent level is important for the longer term 1-2 setup scenario, where we would move up in a wave 3 to the upside afterwards. Only if we break below 47 cents, then this scenario will get unlikely, and I would start to assume that all of the move here to the upside was just corrective, and we're actually in an impulse to the downside. At the moment, however, there is no evidence for that. This is one of the best charts I've got here in my crypto rotation. And at the moment, as long as we're holding above the 80 cent level, I'm assuming that the low was already in here with that wave 2 low, and we're pushing higher. In terms of pushing higher, we can count this, and I go to the 1 hour chart for this, as overall the first wave of a larger third wave. And there are certain requirements that need to be fulfilled. The most important one to hold here the 80 cent level. Why is this so important? Because if we count 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then yeah, we are still in the third wave, and the third wave has certain subwaves. Here, wave 1 done, wave 2 done, wave 3 done, then an A, B, overshooting wave B, and I would expect us to come down in a wave C to the downside into this area, ideally between 80 cents and 82.5. Now we haven't managed to get into this area yet. Maybe we don't get into this. It would be ideal to get into this and then to reverse out of it to finish off the wave 5, yeah. But the key is we need to hold the 80 cent level. As long as we're holding that, I would stick to this current count, yeah, which would result in a peak in a wave 3, possibly around the 89 cent area, then to come down in a wave 4 retracement in blue, finish off in a wave 5. That should then, we talk about plus 90 cents, yeah, and then here the wave 1 is done, and I will then scale in wave 2. So that's sort of where we are at the moment. And again, as long as I don't see 5 waves complete, this is not high confidence that we're already moving up here, because of the choppy nature of the price action. It's not yet high confidence, but there is the potential, okay, as long as we hold above 80 cents. Yeah, and that's my update about Polygon MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.